In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Udemy without OTP. If you're tired of waiting for one-time passcodes to hit your inbox, this walkthrough shows you the official, faster route using Google so you can get straight to your courses. First, open the Udemy website in your browser. On the homepage, look to the top right and click Login. That brings up Udemy's sign-in screen. Here's the key move. Instead of typing an email and password, choose Continue with Google. Udemy's passwordless email option often triggers a one-time code, but the Google button uses secure single sign-on. Because Google handles the authentication, Udemy typically won't send its own OTP. After you click Continue with Google, a small Google window may appear. You'll see the Google accounts currently active in your browser. Select the Google account that's linked to your Udemy profile. Pause for a moment to confirm it's the right one. Match the email you use for Udemy to the email shown in the Google list. If you're already signed into that Google account in your browser, this selection is usually all you need. Google confirms who you are, and Udemy logs you in automatically. Sometimes Google adds a quick security check, like a device prompt or confirmation on your phone. That's normal, and it's handled entirely by Google. Complete it once on a trusted device, and going forward, this flow is usually just a single click. If you don't see the Google window, make sure your browser isn't blocking it and that you have a stable internet connection. When the authentication finishes, you'll be redirected back to Udemy. You should land on your homepage already signed in. No separate Udemy one-time code needed. Give it a second to complete the redirect, and then confirm you can see your courses and the account menu at the top right. If you open this in a new tab, switch back to the Udemy tab to view your logged-in session. A couple of quick pointers to keep things smooth next time. Always start from the official Udemy website so you know you're on a trusted page. Keep yourself signed into the correct Google account in your browser to make the process one click. And when multiple Google accounts are listed, choose the one that matches the email you originally used for Udemy or have connected to your Udemy profile. That's it. Open Udemy, click Login, select Continue with Google, and pick the right account. Simple, fast, and secure, without the usual OTP from Udemy. Happy learning!